Sony HT-S400 2.1 channel soundbar review, pros and cons. Pros. Easy setup and use. Good sound quality for the price. Compact design. Multiple connection options. Supports Bluetooth, optical, and HDMI, ARC and eARC. Good value for money. Good looking soundbar and subwoofer. Crisp and smooth bass. Clear vocals. Cons. Not a true surround sound experience. Limited bass. Slow volume control. Potential quality control issues. Short power cord. Doesn't connect to all Roku TVs. Basic remote control. Key features. .1 channel sound system, soundbar, wireless subwoofer. S-Force Pro front surround sound technology for visual surround experience. Dolby Digital processing. Adjustable bass and sound modes. Bluetooth wireless connection. Optical input, H. HDMI ARC, eARC for connection with compatible TVs. Easy setup and use. Simple remote control. Wall mountable design. Compact size, soundbar, 900 x 64 x 88 mm. Subwoofer, 192 x 387 x 400 mm. Total power output, 330W. Black color. That's it. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel.